Regardless of whether your hair is long, short, or somewhere in between, the best curling wands simplify the curling process. While achieving beach waves and soft, loose curls may seem effortless, it often requires a quality hot tool and a bit of technique. Curling irons and even flat irons can create stunning spirals, but many prefer curling wands for their clip-less design, which allows for wrapping sections of hair around the barrel to achieve natural-looking curls and waves. A curling wand provides greater versatility for creating various curl sizes and shapes, though the thickness and length of the barrel are essential in choosing the right tool for your desired look. In this guide, we have curated the best curling wands on the market to fit all preferences. Check out our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 12. Paul Mitchell Neuro Guide 1.25-inch Styling Rod Curling Iron. This titanium curling iron from Paul Mitchell offers a unique comb attachment to help you place hair evenly on the barrel, creating long-lasting curls. It's highly praised for its wide temperature range, making it gentle enough for fine and fragile hair, with settings that go as low as 160 degrees Fahrenheit. The design makes it especially easy to curl the back of the head, ensuring thorough styling. While it's not the most compact, and some users found the cord too short, Number 11. Kristin S 1.25-inch Soft Wave Pivoting Wand. This wand by Kristin S features a rotating barrel that pivots from 180 degrees to 90 degrees, making it easy to style hard-to-reach areas, which is a common issue for beginners. Lightweight at 0.8 pounds, it creates defined, long-lasting waves without snagging hair. However, the rotating mechanism might take some practice to master. Users appreciated its ability to handle both long and short hair and found the included glove comfortable and easy to use. Number 10. Dyson Airwrap Complete Styler. Dyson's revolutionary Airwrap styler is not just a curling wand. It also functions as a hairdryer and smoothing brush. Utilizing air rather than heated barrels, this innovative design minimizes hair damage while creating salon-worthy curls and waves. With 5 versatile attachments, it delivers a professional blowout effect at home. While the tool is undeniably expensive, it offers a unique way to dry and style hair simultaneously. However, those with hair that doesn't hold curls well may need a higher heat setting for longer-lasting results. Number 9. GHD Creative Curl Tapered Curling Wand. GHD's Creative Curl Wand is perfect for achieving relaxed curls with its tapered design, graduating from a circular to an oblong shape for naturally tousled waves. Its silicone tip stays cool, reducing the risk of burns, and the device quickly heats to a constant temperature of 365 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for maintaining hair health. Although it lacks adjustable temperature settings, many users praised its effortless performance, noting that it provides voluminous, long-lasting curls that last all day. Number 8. T3 Aire 360 Multi-Styler and Blowout System. The T3 Aire 360 is a multifunctional air styler designed to create high-gloss blowouts and long-lasting curls without heat damage. Equipped with Ceragloss ceramic curling barrels, it uses a combination of air and heat to style your hair while keeping it healthy. The system includes a curling barrel, oval brush attachment, and soft air concentrator, providing a variety of styling options. The T3 Aire 360 is also designed to be 20% lighter than similar tools, making it more comfortable for extended use and allowing for easier handling during your styling routine. Number 7. BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Curling Wand. With an extended 16-inch barrel, the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Curling Wand is ideal for long or thick hair, ensuring even heat distribution without tangling. Despite its longer size, this curling wand remains lightweight at just 0.7 pounds, making it easy to maneuver. It quickly heats up and is simple to use, though some users may find the lack of a heat-protective glove and the potential for tangling cords a minor inconvenience. Overall, it's a great option for achieving stunning curls and longer hair. Number 6. Drybar the Wrap Party Styling Wand. Drybar's Wrap Party Styling Wand offers a reverse taper design, perfect for creating curls that are tighter at the top and looser at the ends. This wand is also gentle on damaged hair, heating up quickly without causing visible heat damage. Users found the controls easy to operate, and the wand's quick preheat time was a major plus. Though it doesn't come with a protective glove, the design and performance make it a great option for those with fragile or damaged hair. Number 5. Hot Tools Professional 24K Gold Tapered Curling Wand. Hot Tools 24K Gold Tapered Curling Wand is perfect for creating soft, natural-looking waves. The 1 to 1.5-inch barrel creates relaxed curls while its lightweight and ergonomic design makes it easy to handle. Despite the lack of a protective glove, users loved its comfort and ease of use, even for styling the back of the head. Its slim handle and cool tip make it a favorite for those looking for professional-looking results at home. Number 4. Conair InfinitiPro Curl Secret Automatic Curling Iron. Conair's automatic curling iron wraps hair around the barrel for you, making it simple to achieve defined curls. With options for different curl types and directions, it's compact and user-friendly, though there may be a learning curve. Made with ceramic, it evenly distributes heat, reducing hair damage. Users loved the quick results and how long the curls lasted, making this tool a time saver for those looking for defined, long-lasting curls. Number 3. FURIDEN Lite Europe Travel Curling Iron Mini. The FURIDEN Lite Europe Travel Curling Iron Mini is the perfect companion for on-the-go styling. With its compact and lightweight design, this dual-voltage tool is ideal. This 2-in-1 tool functions as both a curling iron and a straightener, allowing you to create soft waves or sleek, straight styles without needing multiple devices. Number 2. Conair InfinitiPro Tourmaline Ceramic Curling Wand. For those seeking affordability without compromising performance, this Conair wand is a great pick. Its tapered barrel helps create natural-looking waves, and it heats up quickly, making it a reliable tool for any occasion. While the included glove only covers a few fingers, extra caution during use is advisable. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those who want a simple, effective tool for everyday use or travel. Number 1. Chi Lava Curl Shot Curling Wand. Chi's Lava Curl Shot Wand stands out with its angled design that makes styling foolproof, even reaching the back of the head easily. Users loved its ergonomic handle, lightweight feel, and the curls it created, which stayed defined for hours. The Cool Shot feature sets curls quickly, and the professional length cord adds convenience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.